Okay, so we've got the local council decided to lay a 1.5 metre wide concrete path around a bowling green. Okay, so here's the bowling green here and the path going around as shown in the diagram. Calculate the area in square metres of the concrete path. So the concrete path is the one that's sort of shaded, yeah? The grey path going around here. And the key information here is that the path, it says, is 1.5 metre wide, okay? So it's 1.5 metres wide. So we know the width of it. In other words, we know how wide this path is as you walk along it, okay? We know the length of the path here, of course. Okay, the length of the path is going to be the same as this here. Well, it says it's over here, isn't it? Because it's a square set up here, but it's quite clear. 38.5 metres is the length of the path. But the width it's saying is 1.5 metres. Now, to work out the area of the shaded path here, okay, one way to do it is to work out the area of the big sort of square that we've got here, and then the area of the inside square, and then take it away. Because in a way, in a sense, it's as if you start off with this big square, and then this smaller square inside gets sort of cut out of it. Okay, you take it away, you cut it out, so you're left with then the path. So the area of the big square, area of the small square, take them away, the difference between them will give you the area of this path. Alright, so we can easily work out the area of the big square, and I'm going to literally call it that, because we know the length and we know the width of it. So 38.5 is the length, the width is also 38.5. So length times width is what you do to work out the area of a rectangle or a square. So if I do that, I get 1482.25 meters squared. Okay. Now the area of the bowling green, okay, square there, I need to know the length of it. Okay. Now they don't tell me as such, but what they do say, of course, is the width of the path is 1.5. What's to say that 1.5 meters, which of course is 1.5 meters. So I know that's 1.5 there, and I also know that's 1.5. So to get the length here inside, I just need to subtract 1.5 from here and 1.5 from here. So I start off with 38.5, my calculator, okay, and I take the whole length is 38.5, remember, okay, and I cut that 1.5 off, so take away that 1.5, but I also cut that 1.5 off of that end, and I end up with a shorter length. Press the SD button, 35.5. Okay, so that length there is 35.5, and we can do the same then, because it's square, that width there is also going to be 35.5. Alright, so to get then our area of the bowling green, okay, or area of a small square, again, length times width. So we times these two values together, we get 1260.25 meters squared. So then to get the area of the path, remember it's just like the whole rectangle, the whole square, cut out this bowling green. So the area of the path will be 1482.25, take away the smaller one. And we get our answer to be exactly 222 meters squared. Okay.